Hey there, it's Shal from Leads Panda. Today we are going to give you 7 blog post tips in 60 seconds. Let's start. Number 1, know your audience. Before writing, the first thing you need to do is understand who you're writing for. Number 2, choose a relevant topic. Come up with a topic that is relevant to your targeted audience. Your topic should offer solution to your audience's problem. Number 3, create an outline to organize your thoughts. A disorganized thought is bad writing. Save yourself from it and start with an outline. Number 4, a headline is the clickbait. Bait your audience with a good headline. It is the first thing they read before your whole content. Number 5, go and write your blog post. Now, write it based on your outline and let the words flow. Imagine you're talking directly to your audience. Number 6, have a CTA or call to action at the end. Write a clear CTA at the end of your blog. Tell your audience what you would like them to do. Number 7, add images. Make things interested with some images. It will boost your engagement. If you enjoyed this content, give us a like. Let me know which tip works for you. Thanks for joining. If you're struggling with your content marketing, I would encourage you to log on to leadspanda.com to learn more about how we can help you. See you next time.